This is my power converter. As you can see, it is not hooked up. Today, I'm gonna fix that. This is pretty strange. We have blue and brown wires, which typically you have black and white. Black being hot, white being neutral, and then green or no flashing being your ground. I'm guessing the blue, because it's darker, is our hot line, and the brown, because it is lighter, is our neutral. But I wasn't the one who originally made this, and so I'm gonna go ahead and give my dad a call, because he was who originally designed this, and see if he remembers. Did you get those photos I just sent you?
Okay, yeah.
So I'm trying to rewire the power converter, and the outlets are using a blue and brown wire, and then a green, but the green is the ground, so that one's not confusing. It's the blue and brown that are confusing me. It looks like the blue would be hooked up to the neutral side, and the brown is hooked up to the hot side, but I just wanted to confirm that. You could see from those photos.
Well, on a 240 volt plug,
everything's hot.
Those are both hot.
I see.
Yeah.
That's the trick. Okay, so it doesn't matter.
One
There's
of
no
them
neutral.
One of them is a sine wave where the first 180 degrees it goes positive. The other one is a sine wave where the first 180 degrees it goes negative. So when you measure phase to phase, from blue to brown, you get 240.
Yeah, that makes sense. I get it now.
Yeah.
It's that dual sound wave or sine wave thing, so that you never lose current.
Yeah.
Okay. So it really doesn't matter which I do, whether black or white, because they're the same.
Right.
Okay, cool. That
Okay.
makes sense.
Alright.
So that makes sense. They're just both hot, and so it doesn't matter what I do. And that's why the colors don't matter. Cool. It's a great time for me to be in my boots, not my shoes. Cool. Awesome. Yeah, perfect. Well, let's see if it works. Probably not working. This is not. But, that's on now. That's something. And with this, pull the button, it should work. And it doesn't. So something is not set up right with the power converter. Well, I guess the next step will be to try to test a different tool. See, it's just the Tablesaw, or if it's all the power. So it must not be wired. Alright. Making progress. I mean, I know I did something wrong. I think I know what I did wrong. Wire. All I've redone, just put the caps back on. I guess just pushing them in, turning on that plate, made them wiggle a little loose. Works now. Going. Try plugging in the planer. It works. Try the other outlet. Other outlet works. Turned off. Now let's try the table saw. Still not. So we're gonna figure out how to reprogram this thing, which, if I remember right, is really annoying. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a working table saw. Go down. So this is my safety kill switch that I can push, turn off the table saw if I get my hand in it. And here we go. Well, it works now, but the kill switch. Yesterday I ended the day not being able to use the table saw because although I could run it from the variable, the VFD, I couldn't run it with the kill switch, which is really what you need for safety with using a table saw. You need to be able to turn it off while, a piece of wood binds or something. You can't leave the saw and walk over to the wall and turn it off. And so I did a lot of troubleshooting. One of the things, I think the wires that were being used were worn out just from transporting from Connecticut to Missouri. And then I went and watched 4 different YouTube videos on how to program the VFD, and that also helped. So maybe I had one of those settings wrong. One of those settings is about having an external switch, so maybe I had that one wrong. But I have since reprogrammed it again, and my test did work. So now this is my test wired a little bit. And so now I need to just add in the full length of wire and then give it another test, see if it's working or not. This is a spreadsheet I made myself so that I could program it well. This is what my final wiring setup on the inside looks like. Black wire is going to DCM and the white wire is going to FOR forward. And then let's hit the switch and see if it turns on. Here's our switch. Should turn on when I pull it. Turns on. That is good. Now we're up to full speed, and I can now turn it off. All set. And with that, I have a table saw. One step closer to starting to make art again. As you can see, the table saw still cuts pretty straight, flat. Next thing I will be doing is to make some push sticks, I guess. What I need now. Thanks for joining me as I got my table saw set up. Next, I'll be working on getting my sink plumbed in, and then I'll start organizing all my. Bye.